Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQS test. So first of all, you must read Gotranscription Guideline rule. This guideline rule is very important. This help you in during the MCQs test as well as audio test. Audio test is very important. In audio section, you must apply all these co-transcription guidance rules into the audio test. Without applying these rules, you never pass co-transcript audio test. So you must read these transcription guideline rules all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you a lot during the test. So first we move to the MCQs test and start the MCQs test. First question is, what is the proper format of a speaker label? For example, this speaker. So in transcription guideline, you simply check there by using Ctrl plus F command and simply paste this word. So this is the correct format: speaker, then 1 2 or speaker name, then colon, and speaker is always in bold form. So speaker label and mark timestamping should be bold. The speaker label and with the timestamping should be bold. So this speaker label section, if a speaker name is mentioned at the same point in the title of file, use it as the speaker label. So this is the speaker label in bold form and also column. Speaker label must be written in bold, followed by the colon and space. Never use a tab button, only one click on of the space button. So according to the transcription guideline rules, this B option is correct. Second question is, what is the correct format of timestamping when speaker is change of a speaker? So there is 6 different options, and according to the transcription guideline, speaker is written always in bold form and timestamping is also written in bold, and the brackets is used this form. So according to the transcription guideline rules, D option is correct. If you have any doubt, you simply check in transcription guideline rule every time the speaker change, then click on this docs file or PDF. So second question answer is D. The correct form of direct quotation. There are 5 different options. So let's check in transcription guideline. Double quotation mark are used whenever there is a direct quotation. For example, she said, then comma, and then quotation mark. The full stop include in quotation mark. So according to the transcription guideline, first option is false because it's not used with quotation. Second is also false. this use colon instead of comma and also not include quotation. And third answer is correct because it's followed direct quotation rule, comma also, and then quotation mark and full stop is also included. Second, D sentence is also false because it's use colon instead of comma, and last option is also false because this full stop must be in between the quotation. So that's why this option is also false. So third question answer is C. Fourth question is full verb BTM does not include. So we simply check in transcription guideline. The full verb BTM. The full verb BTM section. These are include speech error, false start, filler word, slang word, starter, repetition. So the slang word, repetition, speech error, false start, start word, filler word are included, but this G option is not included in full verb BTM. So that's why this option is correct. Fourth question. So fifth question is if you are working on the part of 5 to 15 minutes, time stamping every 30 seconds should start. So working on part of 5 to 15 minutes. So time stamping start from 5 minutes, and time stamping form is this, and always time stamping using board form. So that's why D option is correct. And sixth question is a full verb BTM contains speech error, starter, false start. So you see speech error and full verb BTM include repetition, starters, slang word, filler word, false start, speech error. So that's why these three options is correct. Seventh question, if you do not transcribe audio according to the transcription guideline, what will happen? You might get a low rating. Correct. You might be removed from the team. So this is also correct. If you not transcribe audio according to the transcription guideline, so these two options is correct. You also get low rating and you removed from the team. Eighth question is the correct form of affirmation full verb BTM his are. According to the transcription guideline, this, and this. This is also included negative. According to the transcription guideline rule, first option is correct. Ninth question is in clean verb BTM, the transcribed text does not include. So we simply check in clean verb BTM section. The transcribed text does not include speech error, false start unless they add information, starter, repetition, filler word, and slang word. And the expression should be kept regardless of BTM type. For example, oh my god, oh dear, oh my, oh boy, oh, etc. So according to the transcription guideline, starter not include in clean verb BTM, repetition not include, expression is include in verb BTM regardless, clean or full, filler word is also not unless they add some meaning. 10th and last question is their sentence is correctly capitalized and punctuated. There is 4 different options, and the correct Sentence that is correctly capitalized and punctuated is last one. D. I like to use Facebook. It's my favorite way to keeping in touch with the relatives. So after all, you need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So please check video description. There is a link for audio test. I hope this video is helpful for you, and please like this video and also do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.